this is Miss Hogan. Today I'm going to show you how to do a name project that will kind of like pull together everything you learned about graphing last week. You're going to do the whole thing in Notability. If something's wrong with your iPad, you're going to have to do it on paper. And it will have to be graph paper. There should be some in the classroom. If you're in Notability and you don't know how to make grid paper, you're going to go to these three dots right here and then click on template settings, grid. I think I would recommend doing like 3 or 4. I'm going to do a 4. Once you have your grid, you're going to draw a coordinate plane. So you know how to do that by now. You're going to draw like a straight line down. If you hold it, it will make it straight. Same thing for our x-axis. You need to have arrows on both ends, and then you're also going to set up your numbers. You're also going to label your numbers. Yours is going to look a lot neater than mine. I am grading this instead of giving you a quiz. I think it's pretty easy. Don't stress out about the grade. If we have any issues, we'll talk when I'm back. Okay, so you're going to label everything. Mine's not labeled. Then you're going to kind of map out your name. So depending on how long your name is, will determine how big your letters are. So my name isn't that long. This is just me like mapping it out. So I could fit it something like that. If you have like a longer name like this, you could decide what to do, but none of your letters should be overlapping. And then basically you're just going to connect points to form your name. So for example, to make the letter N, I would be connecting these 2 points here. And then from there, I would go down here. And then I would also go here. Okay, so the letter N took 4 points to make. Down below, you're going to keep track of that. So you're going to write like letter N, and then you're going to tell me what points they were at. So for me, that's, let's see, -2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yours is all going to be labeled. The first point is at -7, 2. That's right here. And then this one would be -7, 4, etc. And then you're going to write that down. Okay, and then you're just going to do that. I would also write the other 2, but just for the sake of time, I'm not going to. If you have a letter in your name like a D or an O, it doesn't have to be perfect. So like you could go like this, like, oh no, that's terrible. That's not what we're doing. You can kind of like wing it. Like if you want, you could just go like this one to this one and then back. I don't really care. Or you can make it more like square. Like an O, if you have an O in your name, you could do something like this. It's really up to you. It's not that intense. So that is what you're going to spend your class time doing today. If you have any questions, you can email me. I will be on email today, and I'll reach back out when I'm back at school. This will be due on Thursday. Thank you for your hard work.